Last Apple-related story, almost done with the Apple news. Apple has officially reopened all of its U.S. retail stores for the first time in nearly a year. I don't know if you're going to use this as some sort of signal that it's time for Willie Doo to get out in the world and the world is opening back up and get your shorts and T-shirt, have a picnic, go to the state, go to Texas.
Yeah, Texas.
Actually, funny enough, the last of Apple's retail stores that was to be reopened was in Texas. So Texas was taking a while to let this one reopen. Apple's just following the local regulations in the various areas it does business. And it just turns out, I guess, that in some jurisdiction, some place in Texas, they must have had some issues that were lasting a little bit longer anyway.
Yeah.
Point being is the stores are open back up, at least in some capacity. Now, they had some version of open stores and pickup windows, and they've been trying to figure out how they want to manage the COVID situation. A lot of their stores are in malls. Malls got really weird there for a while.
And they also expanded in Target too.
Yeah,
recently, right?
We talked about that, the stores inside of Target, but it is some signal for people, I suppose. And it also showcases to me just how long this thing's been going on. The idea that for the first time in a year or close to a year, those stores are going to open back up. That's kind of wild. Now, of course, you can get all this stuff online. So that option always existed and continues to exist. And the fact that the stores were closed didn't seem to impact things like iPhone sales all that much. But we can at least use it as a signal that things are beginning to open back up. A little optimism, I don't know, up to you.